Hello, good evening, guys. This is another S Group daily review video. On to video number 21 now. Just taking it day by day, week by week, guys. We just got our earnings for the day today. Today's a Monday, so hope everyone out there had a good weekend. But anyways, here we go. It's a lower day today, but still not complaining. As you see, it went down from Friday 0.49. Today on Monday, 0.26%. So on the money I've invested again, which is this, I made 75% of the earnings is 27.32 I made, and then the company gets the other 30%, or sorry, 25% rather. And yeah, so I'm not complaining, guys. $27.32 for doing absolutely nothing because I have the money in here trading on autopilot through the computerized bot in the Forex market. If you guys have been following my videos, if you haven't, guys, you guys can subscribe to my channel, go through my video history, and you can see all the videos that I've done in the last, I guess, 3-4 weeks now. It's actually a continuation from October 2020. That's when I started my account. I was doing videos the end of 2020 on into early 2021, and then a lot of things in the company have changed. So I stopped doing videos for about a little over a year, and then I started resuming videos about a month or a month and a half ago. So if you guys subscribe to my channel, check my well, I say if you could please subscribe to my channel, be greatly appreciated. You can see all my video updates. In like a month or two, I'm going to start doing withdrawals, so you guys can see me pulling out money and enjoying it in the system. So doing a withdrawal, it's pretty simple, guys. You just go underneath the finance section, underneath the withdrawal tab here, enter in the amount, select your S wallet, which is the wallet linked to the S Group account. So you enter in your amount, and then go into the S wallet, and then you enter in your wallet ID, which is the ID linked to your S wallet account, because everybody has their own wallet IDs for what they want to transfer the money to. And once it's in there, then I would switch it over to my ShakePay account, which is linked to my checking account, and then I would transfer the money into from my ShakePay, which is how we do things in Canada here, guys. Of course, the country you're in, that's something we'll have to look into, or you can investigate. But it goes from ShakePay to my checking account. It's basically an e-transfer, so that'll occur within probably like 30 minutes to an hour or something, and then I'll have the money in my account. I can enjoy, buy groceries, pay bills, do whatever I need to do, guys. And that's kind of my plan. As you see, I'm just over 14 grand here. If you take this, combine this together, over 14,000, on my way to 15,000 having in the system, which is exciting. What is really exciting for me, guys, is when I get to 16,000, which should be about in August time. We're in June right now, so in a couple months away, I'll be making around roughly $300 per week US in the system, guys, on autopilot. So my plan is every 2 weeks I'm going to combine my investments, which will put the money at the very top here, and then I'll be able to take out, so at that point in 2 weeks it'll be 600. I'll withdraw 600, and I'll put the other 300, or sorry, I'll withdraw 300, and I'll put the other $300 back here in the system to continue to earn money, because I'm just compounding my money into the total deposit. So the more money you have in here, guys, the more money you're going to make in the system. That's basically the gist of that, guys. As you can see here, I'm all-time $9,881.84 that I've earned in the system since I've joined, which was October 2020, and it's now June 2022. So just going to keep things moving, guys. Just imagine like a couple of years from now, guys, 1 or 2 or even 3 years from now, it's going to be insane the amount of money I have in here, making thousands and thousands of dollars a week, which would be great. And I'm excited for that, guys, for the future. So if you guys want to be a part of this, click on the S Group sign up link down below. You have to be referred in. So you just sign up under my team. I'll coach you along, educate you on everything, how to get set up and just making money like this on autopilot. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below in the description, as well as, shoot me an email. My email is in the description down below, and I love to talk to you guys and yeah, have some dialogue about all this. But that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.